morning. So we're actually getting a good start off today. It's about 9 o'clock. We're about to go pick up Dean. And I just gotta say, like, I've been waiting for this for so long. I've wanted a car that I can just like mess around with, and you know, that it's like personally mine. You know, it's not my parents, it's not my grandma's. And I'm not gonna say anything about the car, but I'm just really excited for it. I hope you guys are too. And yeah, we're gonna get first impressions when we go over to my grandma's house. And this is just like a walkthrough of the car, and then, you know, there'll obviously be later videos where we like do mods to it and stuff, but right now we're just kind of getting the overview and showing you guys what's what. So we'll see you guys when I go pick up Dean.
It's recording. Oh, it's covered up.
Brought the Volvo to the Volvo. Well,
what a piece of shit,
dude. Come on now.
It doesn't look terrible. Way to go, Gavin. Wait, so why can't you open the trunk?
I don't know how. Wait, we haven't even shown the full thing yet.
We'll walk around, dude. But it's muddy. And the shades are like wrong.
Alright, come to the
front of it looks pretty good.
The front looks good, right?
And then you get to the back and it's like
we got some work to do, dude. Wait, why is it like so dark?
Because we're standing in the shadow.
I mean, I guess. Dude. It's just dirty. It's just a dirty girl, dude. Right? It's just a dirty girl.
Mm-hmm. How long has it been sitting out? At the guy's house?
6 years. Dude, you know what? You don't need to judge right now.
Who said I was judging?
You gave a look.
Just because it wasn't taken care of.
Here's the motor.
That's a dirty bitch.
It's a real dirty bitch. Dude, what's kind of cool is it has like, so that's a little light for like when you want to work on it at night, right? And then something cool is like, so go to the other side and then pull up like this little hinge right here.
Wait, hold on, like this?
Yeah. Okay, hold on, let me set this down real quick. And then you push it up, right? And then it goes back even more, so you can do like, it's for service stuff.
Oh, so you can get back here.
Yeah.
Is it missing something?
Yeah, that's a battery tray.
Okay.
So
I was like, that's a big space in an inch.
Yeah, so that's where the battery goes. And then, so look at that, it says turbo, dude.
Dude, we're gonna have to dig the Barracuda out again.
Dude, no, we're not. Dude, okay, we're gonna have to tell them about that. We're gonna have to update them because we're gonna do some stuff to it. You know?
Like what?
Well, we're gonna clean it out.
Today?
No, another video, dude. Okay, so what is this?
Ew.
I don't even know what that is. Let me get some gloves
Does
for
it have oil? Okay.
Dude, we should probably check that. Oh, that's a big mofo, huh?
I was crawling right by your head.
Okay, so the exhaust is like cut off. So we're gonna take that out today because I don't want it hanging. So weight reduction, and right away it's gonna be straight pipe, so it's gonna be loud. And figure out what's missing so then we can order parts for it, and then that's it. I think that's what we'll do. Right, Dean?
Yeah, well, I'm just here.
to help.
Yep.
And be the camera guy.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Streaks? You texting Hannah again?
No, and we're not gonna put that in the video.
Why not? Does she watch?
No. Well, I don't know. I doubt it. Cause
she doesn't want to see you anymore. All right, and so we got the car all jacked up. We also have ramps to secure it, but we're just gonna pull out the exhaust and
it's not long enough.
It's not long enough?
No.
Jeez. All right, so we're getting to work.
Are there longer ones?
There's extensions. Weight reduction. Alright, ready? Don't tell me we gotta make another cut, bro. Wait, yo, what? Do we actually have to? Yeah, we're gonna have to. Try turning it the other way. No. It's hitting the top. We're gonna cut it off.
And now it's recording.
Thank God, we had to cut it in 3 pieces just to get this thing off.
There's 1, 2, and a third right there.
And we didn't do it with electrical shit, so it took us forever. Fuck that thing too.
Wait, so we could have just cut it over there and had one cut and be
yeah, I showed the entire underside. It's like no exhaust. Super clean. It's not super clean.
What are you gonna put there?
Nothing. Duh.
Dude, okay. Empty space for like cool shit.
Like what?
Like lights.
How about a new exhaust?
Ooh, good point. These are cool.
Yeah, that's how you open it. All electrical. You already know.
Ooh.
Fancier.
Are these the mirrors?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Electrical mirrors, baby. Oh, and there's a little turbo gauge too.
Oh, dope.
Isn't that sick? That's why I like a little turbo gauge, baby.
Nice.
It's all about the little details, right?
Yeah, the little details.
Shut up.
What?
Get off my ass.
How'd you know I was doing that?
Alright. Let's lower this bitch.
I know how to vlog. Thank you very much. Gavin's sad. There's nothing in the trunk. Just a spare, but now we have 2 spare tires, which is more than 1.
So now we can do a burnout on the spare tires.
Hell yeah.
We were going through the interior a little bit and we decided that we wanted to clean the engine bay because it's more fun. Because the interior looks like a mess and we just have no idea what to do. But this...
Well, you don't know where any of the cables go either.
Yeah, yeah.
That's why you're just like,
That's why we'll figure it out when we have all the parts for this engine. Right?
Yeah. Oh, so we gotta undo everything.
I mean, just the intercooler stuff.
Oh, okay.
Which is just like this hose, that hose. And then I don't want to mess with anything else, so. Yep. Let's get to work.
Ow.
Quick little update. So you already know that we did all this stuff to the engine. We like put all these little ties on it and stuff just so, you know, water and stuff we don't want to get in won't get in. bolted this up because it looked like it goes here. It probably does. I hope. But we put the battery from this Volvo in here because, as you can see, the sunroof isn't up all the way. And so it wasn't working, but it makes me think that it wasn't plugged in. But I'm tired of messing with it, so we're actually gonna call it a day. But this is a brief overview of the car. I think that'll be it for this video. Usually for these kind of videos where we're just showing stuff, we don't really do anything, but we did a lot. Like, I feel like we did a lot. So things I want for this car are new wheels because they're all mismatched, a new front bumper because that just does not look good. I want something like underneath it so it, you know, looks lower. I like the Euro lights, but I might go US headlights because I like that look a little bit better. I'm using my phone now because my camera just died, but as I was saying, it's just like a bunch of little things to tidy up. Okay, but anyways, back to the Barracuda. Someone was asking like what we're gonna do with it. So right now, my grandma gave me the okay to put it on the concrete so then it's not getting buried again, as you can see. So there'll be another video where we pump up the tires and then we're gonna, you can see there's like a dirt hill, so we're gonna shovel some dirt out and then so it's flat. Once we move it there, we're gonna get the interior done before we do the engine stuff, so then we have time to acquire an engine. But we also need to acquire like other stuff, like a new hood maybe and you know, some other things. That's gonna be it for the video, right?
Yeah, I don't know.
You're just along for the ride, huh?
Pretty much.
All right, we'll just do like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, right?
Well, you just said it. I'm not gonna say it.
But you gotta close out the video.